Happy Sunday today.
Oh, tell me how you could just leave my side and just forget me and all the things we did together. Oh, tell me why you couldn't even try to meet me halfway.
Happy Sunday. Today we go to the house of the Lord. Hallelujah. Okay, today I am wearing, what am I wearing? Okay, this trouser is from H&M. This one, I can't remember where I got this from. I've had this for the longest. I think I got this, Primark, from my days in the UK. It's quite chilly today, not so cold anyway, but I'll definitely wear sneakers, brown sneakers that I got from Walmart, and I'll just accessorize. And I'm going to be taking my white handbag. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys the earring I'm wearing. It's July by Kiki Lemon. I met her yesterday, and she sells really good pieces. This is the one. So I kind of like got this handle ring, and I'm gonna wear it today. So beautiful, you guys. Oh, I love it. Funny thing is, Buchi, my friend, wanted to buy this one, and she was like in between. Immediately she kept it. I just picked it. There were two I wanted to buy, like one statement piece, but I felt like this will like go with so many of my clothes. I got the earrings for 15 and the ring for 10. So everything was going to be 25, and then she also still gave me like a discount, and I got everything at 22. So I love it. For my scent of the day, I'm going to be pairing Karen Herrera and Victoria's Secret. These two, focus. So that when I fart, it's a nice smell that will come out. These are my shoes. I'm wearing two colors of socks, but nobody's gonna know, so I don't care. My husband will never wear two colors of socks, never. And I'll be like, it's going to be inside your shoes. Nobody's going to know, especially when we are going to like a place where we don't have to remove our shoes. He'll be like, nah, I can't do that. Nah. Yeah, I'm just like, whoa. If I don't see the second color, I'm gonna wear what I have. Especially if I'm not going to remove my shoes where I'm going to. Oh yeah. Which one?
It's right.
Okay.
It was.
Bring tissue, let me clean your nose. Yeah. Can't trash it. Careful, oh. Put your hand. Yeah. Ooh. You like it?
Yeah.
Let me wait for you now. Let's see yourself in the mirror. Do you want to, let's do your hair. Bring that this thing. Let's see. Yeah, no, this one. Use this one. You don't like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on.
And let's put this one there.
No.
No?
It's
You don't want pink? Because it's pink you're wearing. Let's put this one. Come. I promise it should be fine. Carry it small, small.
Why?
Why? Because you hold it now.
Why?
Ah, Timmy, God. This one. This I don't hold it. That's why I follow. Ouch. Remember when my mom used to make stew and she would put vegetable inside? I used to be so pissed. All of us in the house used to be so pissed. Like, why could you make such a good stew and you will now put vegetable inside? Why? Look who is putting vegetable. In fact, I wanted to even put 2 bunches of vegetable inside it, but I was just like, let me not overdo it. Let me just put 1 bunch. Oh my god, the sand inside this thing is a lot. So much sand. I'll need a bigger bowl. Yes, you drink water. Oxtail is ready. Very good. Oh. It's hot.
Mama.
Yes. You want to eat?